Welcome back to the channel. Today is SUPERCAR Saturday. It's an event that they hold every month, and it's pretty much like a car show out in the open. You're gonna see the best of what South Florida has to offer when it comes to exotics, and what I like about it is that it's organized. So here, at least last time, they had a whole roll up here of classic muscle cars, which is pretty cool, and this was Porsches right here, and of course Porsches over here as well. So there's a lot to see today, and it's pretty cool. It's an ACR Viper. Really, I really miss the Viper. It's too bad that they stopped producing it. This is absolutely beautiful. As you know it's one of my favorite cars of all time, the 240Z. Can't go wrong with this. And the wheels too is a perfect build of this car. It doesn't have any wide body kits or anything like that. It just looks beautiful. It looks time correct, if that makes sense. Here with my friends Slobodan and Lulu today. I'm gonna have their opinion on some of the cars here. It's gonna be interesting to see. This is interesting for sure. Not sure what it is, but it's fantastic. Look at the wheels. Sounds good too.
One day I'm gonna make a kit out of this. Not the original, the kit that you do by yourself.
I think if you buy the kit, it's like 40K.
Yeah, that's what
it's not that bad.
I know.
And it looks fantastic. It looks like the classic old 60s Shelby. And I do like the color spec here as well, with the orange and the kind of gunmetal look on this. So Slobodan here is a fan of the Cobra. If you had to choose one, you have a red, yellow, blue.
This one.
I just love gunmetal on any car. And black wheels works with gunmetal too. Oh, look at that. We have a Polestar 2 right here. That's unexpected. You have the battery pack here. Or this is what I like about the Polestar 2. It looks almost like a concept car. It's crazy that they put this into production. But at the same time, it's almost like it's not a finished car. It still feels like a concept, and the price point says that as well. We have an SV and an i8 matte black. Still looks pretty cool, even though it's a bit 10 years ago-ish. But yeah, back to the Polestar. I'm really glad to see it in real life. They just stopped producing the Polestar. I'm just waiting to see what they come up with next. P1. And now you know this is a wild color for Endurance. Kind of like it. So that one is the SV. You see the SV on the side? That one is a step above that, the SVJ.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 730 horsepower V12, 760 horsepower V12. Oh, this is cute. Beautiful SVJ. I love the blue. If you ask me what Ferrari would be the most beautiful Ferrari made since, let's say, the last 10-50 years, it would definitely be the 458. Maybe not the Spider, but the Coupe. I think if you look at the Spider, if you look at the 458 and compare it to the Pista here, 488, you can see that the Pista has, I just feel like it has a little too much stuff going on the styling. It's like they took the 458 and then added more stuff. The same thing with the Ferrari F8. I think it's even, the F8 is even worse than that. So it's revving like crazy over there. But the F8, it's over the top when it comes to styling. So that's why I prefer the 458, and maybe even we have a 360 over there. But these are the classic Ferraris that I think will hold up better over the long period of time compared to the 488 and specifically the F8 Tributo. Pretty nice lineup here with a Pista. We have a Huracan Spider. We have a Performante Spider right here. And here it is, look at that. F8 Tributo in matte black. And of course we have the beautiful 360 Spider. This one, I like this one better 458 when it comes to the Spider version. I think this has a lot cleaner designs. And we have a 458 Spider right in front of it with some interesting color choices with the black and white. But hey, looks pretty good. And also, over there, we have the new BMW M3 with the launch color. Pretty good choice when it comes to color. Still the front end of the M3, I'm not 100% sold on it yet, but it definitely looks a lot better in the M3 spec than it does in, for example, the 430i, which is, of course, you have the chrome trim around the grille, which kind of emphasizes the grille even more. It kind of ruins the front end even more than in the M3, but the M3 actually looks pretty okay. Probably some aftermarket exhaust on it. Chrome wrap. Not sure if I want to do that in my car, but
I don't think I like that.
Very South Florida for sure.
There you can see everything. Look at the front hump.
Yeah, you need to clean it pretty much every single day. It's super fast with some nice spec wheels. So black wheels seems to be in right now. I see a lot of cars with black wheels here. It seems to have been, you see over there, we have black wheels, black wheels, black wheels. It totally depends on what type of car you have to have it in black, and also depends on the accents color for the rest of the body of the car. If you have, for example, black on black, like we have the Huracan over there, see this black on black, it kind of disappears into the rest of the body when you have the wheels being black like this, even though we have a red accent color, which if you go close and if you have the sun coming from it in the right spot, you can see it better. But that's kind of why I don't I would not have this spec right here where you have black on black. I would have some other accent on the body, maybe some charcoal or something like that, to have the wheels pop out a little better than this. Lulu, if you had to choose between Ferrari and Lambo, what would you pick and why? Don't know. So be you.
Lambo.
I think Lambo is more of a
fun car.
boy car.
Yeah.
Ferrari is a little serious sometimes. I think we're both agreed on the Lambo for now at least. Couple of 4 GTs. Still, even though all these exotics are here, I still find myself wanting to film the 458 more than, for example, the S3s and the SVJs here. I just love the shape of the 458. It's such a beautiful design. It's going to be as beautiful today as it will be 20 years from now, as it was when it was first introduced as well.
Look at the engineering of this one, how it's like a...
Yeah. These are basically, the body is a wing on this car.
It's insane.
Massive holes here, it's so nuts. And these are holes too in the...
What
you have a radiator in there. It's a beautiful design. I love it because it's like form follows function.
It is.
If you talk about this design. And then we have the old Ford GT, which is also a beautiful car. The yellow one is the old one. This is the new one.
Oh, new one 100%.
Really?
Oh yeah.
I would go with the old one.
Yeah, but this just looks like it's engineered for speed. That is just old school design, just aerodynamic. This is engineering.
That is from the GT40 from the 60s, so I think that's why I like it so much, because it's more of an Italian design compared to the new ones, which feels, as you said, more engineered for performance. This is have more emotion in it. Let's hear a start up here. But I think this looks a lot better and it's more functional too, because if you open up the door all the way, it takes up a lot of space. We got two Ford GTs here. We have a modified, as you can see. The door wasn't opening as they should. Which one would you prefer if you had to pick the old GT or the new V6? V8 or V6? 60s or modern technology? I would definitely go with the original Ford GT for sure. For a second there, I thought this was Schmee's Ford GT, but he has the gold stripes on it. But still, I think this is the same color. We got the carbon fiber wheels. And I love the color, it looks beautiful. It's very classy, very Bordeaux-ish color compared to, for example, the other spec that we have right here. More crazy spec, so same car, but this is a good example of what you know, a completely different spec can do for a car. This more blends in with everything, while this one definitely stands out more. Pretty cool. Of course, we gotta go and check out the Murcielagos over here. Got one roadster right there, also classy design. Donkerbolt sketched up these cars back in the day along with the Gallardo. If you look at the Murcielagos, you might think that they are a complicated design, but they're really very simple and very geometric design. Same with the Gallardo. And I think that's also something that's changed with modern Lamborghinis, as you can see right there. The Murcielagos and the Gallardo still very special cars. And also, I'm sorry if you can't hear anything I'm saying because of every car revving that goes on all the time. Something I can't really control, but hopefully you can hear what I say. But hey, still a good sound to listen to. How beautiful is this? Look at the interior too. Looks brand new. Beautiful. Well, I can't leave without filming this collection here. All very charcoal looking. We have a Challenge Stradale, brand new RS6, and of course a Bmw SV right here. Beautiful looking cars, and you can see black wheels on that one too. But here, this is what I was talking about. So if you look at this color here and compare it to if you have a black on black, you can see that the wheels here, they stand out a lot more than if you just have black on black, and that's what makes it such a huge difference. When you have black wheels, you kind of gotta have the right color on the rest of the car. And the Challenge Stradale, of course, I'm glad it didn't remove the typical graphics for the Challenge Stradale, and I kind of like the yellow tinting here on the headlight as well. Beautiful car. You can tell that it's a proper Challenge Stradale by looking at the side mirrors like there, which are in carbon fiber compared to the regular ones of a regular 360. And last but not least, we have the RS6 coming from Sweden. I love station wagons, and this is no different. I think this has been, I think this is lowered a little bit as well. This is not the stock ride height. It looks pretty good. And we have even more black wheels. Black wheels everywhere. It's such a trend that I don't know. Got more black wheels here. Like, pretty cool. Anyway, that's all that is Supercar Saturday. So thank you so much for watching. If you want me to cover more Supercar Saturdays in the future, just let me know. I'm happy to go out here and shoot some more cars. The thing is, they have different cars every week, which makes it a little bit of a surprise when you come out here. So it's really cool to see what cars show up. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.